maanta waxaan baranaynaa food cuntada. Spaghetti pasto, rice bariis, maize galley, millet American, sorghum shamuri ama caday. Spaghetti pasta, rice bariis, maize galley, cooking oil saliid wax lagu karsada, flour burka, meat hilib, fruit miraha. Cooking oil saliid wax lagu kariyo, flour burka, meat hilib, fruit miraha. Cooking oil, flour, meat, fruit, vegetable khudaar, watermelon qaraha, onion basal, garlic toon. Vegetable khudaar, watermelon qara, onion basal, garlic toon. Vegetable, watermelon, orange, onion, garlic. Vegetable khudaar, watermelon qara, onion basal, garlic toon. Avocado, tomato yaanya. Avocado, tomato yaanya. Avocado, tomato. Potato baradho. Cabbage caadiga ah. Orange liin macaan. Lemon liin dhanaan. Wheat qamadi. Beans digir. Potato baradho. Cabbage caadiga ah. Orange liin macaan. Lemon liin dhanaan. Wheat qamadi. Beans digir. Potato, cabbage, orange, lemon, wheat, beans. Tea shah, water biyo, salt cusbo, cinnamon qorofal. Tea shah, water biyo, salt cusbo, cardamom hayl, ginger sanjabiil, sugar sokor, milk caano, tea leaves caleen. Cardamom hayl, ginger sanjabiil, sugar sokor, milk caano, tea leaves caleen. Example in sentences, tusaale oo jumlada lagu isticmaalay. Give us a glass of water, nasi hal glass of biyo, and some tea leaves iyo xoogo caleen ah. Give her gabadha ayada sii 1 glass of milk, hal glass oo caano ah. Wabillahi tawfiiq. Wassalaamu calaykum waraxmatullah.